In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make a basic Ikebana flower arrangement step by step. Coming up. Welcome to I Love Ikebana. My name is Akemi Sagawa, a Sogetsu Ikebana instructor. On this channel, I share with you Ikebana tutorials and the practical tips to help you make arrangements. Today's video is a basic Ikebana tutorial. I'll walk you through how to make a basic Ikebana flower arrangement step by step. By watching this video from the beginning to the end, you will be able to create a beautiful Ikebana arrangement yourself. Let's start! Here are the things you need for Ikebana. A flat container with about 12 inches wide and 2.5 inches high. Ikebana scissors and a hand towel to occasionally wipe off scissors. A Kenzan, pink frog to hold flowers. A small bowl filled with water and a pitcher to fill the container with water. Materials. Today we will use two kinds of materials. Camellia branches and Dahlia flowers. When doing Ikebana, if you spread newspaper or a plastic sheet underneath, it makes it easier to collect clippings. Step 1. Cut branches and flowers. The first question is how long the stem should be. It all depends upon the size of the container. A good rule of thumb is shin, the longest of the three main stems, is the height and the width of the container times 1.5 to 2. Once the length of the shin, the longest stem, is determined, we can set the length of soe and hikae. Soe is about 3/4 of the shin. Hikae is about 1/2 to 2/3 of the soe. This branch is too bushy. You can't use it as it is, so let's clean it. Cut excess twigs and leaves, especially on the bottom part of the branch. Now the three main stems are cleaned. From the right to left, shin, soe, hikae. Step 2. Place a Kenzan in the container. Do you want to place it in the center? The arrangement will be in perfect symmetry. No, it will look so boring. If the container was a clock, place a Kenzan at 8 o'clock position. The challenge of Ikebana is, can you make it asymmetric and still beautiful? Now time to pour water into the container until the needles of the Kenzan submerge. Step 3. Place the three main stems. Imagine a triangle on the Kenzan. Place shin on the top vertex of that imagined triangle. Before placing shin onto Kenzan, make sure to cut the end under water on a sharp angle, long bark on the tilting side. First, place shin upright using two hands, then slant it towards the front left 15 degrees to your left. The same way, place soe on the bottom left vertex of the imagined triangle. Slant it towards also front left, 45 degrees to your left. Don't forget to cut the end of the stem underwater. Place hikae on the bottom right vertex of the imagined triangle. Slant it, this time, towards the front right, 75 degrees to the right. With placing the three main stems, shin, soe, hikae, the basic structure of your arrangement is constructed. But this is not complete. If this were your body, it's only a skeleton. You have to add more. Step 4. Place Jushi, or subordinate stems. Any stem other than the three main stems, shin, soe, hikae, are called Jushi, or subordinate stems. Jushis don't determine the structure of your arrangement, but have other important roles to play. With the first Jushi, add a focal point to your arrangement, like a face of your body. Place a flower that is shorter than hikae in the center, tilting toward the front. By tilting the front, you can hide the kenzan as much as possible. Let's add another flower, shorter flower in the back, to add depth to your arrangement. Kenzan is a useful tool to hold flowers, but it's ugly. You want to hide the kenzan naturally with leaves and short stems. Looking at the total balance, remove more twigs and leaves if necessary. Add a short stem at the back of shin to create more depth. Once you completed the arrangement, fill the container with water, like 80%. Congratulations! You have just created a beautiful ikebana flower arrangement. The style you have created is called Basic Upright Style Moribana, the very first style that you learn at Sogetsu School. If you have any question or would like to know more about Sogetsu Ikebana, please write the comment area down below. If you liked this video, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.